In this tutorial, we'll learn how to define storm data when using the rational, modified rational, or the DeKalb Rational hydrology methods. All three methods use rainfall intensity information derived from intensity duration frequency data. To begin, go to the Input ribbon menu and select Storm Data. The Storm Data dialog will appear. In the General Specifications section, you select how the rainfall intensity data will be defined. For the IDF data type, you have three options: IDF data table, BDE coefficients table, and polynomial coefficients table. If you're working with an IDF data table, you'll also see an option to choose the interpolation method, either curve fit or linear interpolation. For modified rational, there are two additional entries here: rainfall intensity computation method and storm duration. You can define the ascending limb scale factor and receding limb scale factor. By default, the values are set to 1. You can set the location for which you want to retrieve the data. Below the general settings, the dialog expands into a full storm frequency data section. This is where you actually manage and analyze rainfall frequency curves. The section is organized into several tabs and panels. In the Analyze Storms Data tab, you can choose which storm frequencies to include, for example, 2-year, 5-year, 10-year. You can also import and export IDF data. You can manage the storm frequencies you want to use, even add custom frequencies. Once you select the storm frequencies, you can click on the Retrieve IDF Data button, and the software will populate the IDF curves and the IDF data. In the IDF Precipitation Plot tab, you can visualize the IDF curves. You can also right-click on the plot and export it out as a PDF, an image, or you can print out the plot. The IDF data table can be viewed in the IDF Data tab. The Storm Frequency Factor Data tab shows you the table for the applied storm frequency factors for the different storm frequencies. The Reporting Results Data tab lets you select which storm will be displayed in the model results for reporting purposes. Once you have defined the data, you can close the dialog box.